Don't bleed where they can see it.
I don't.
I don't. Who's she?
Laundry. She doesn't go upstairs unless told.
Stay where you belong.
They're sweeping rooms.
It's coming down.
Down there. Who's she? Laundry. She doesn't go upstairs unless told.
Stay where you belong.
One day, they'll come back for real.
I know. Upstairs. Now.
Power's unstable.
Everything is. I won't. They were here all night.
I know. I know.
Someone's missing. Nothing goes in your pocket. Then where? In plain sight. Full name, Mara Haley.
Origin. London.
London. An English girl.
Blackout! Now!
Someone took your top sheet.
Good.
It came back.
Bring me clean linen. Enter.
So they're close. She wants you.
You're the English girl. Sit. Then you won't mind bringing something down.
Room 17.
They're using us.
Or testing you. If you don't carry it in your hand.
Where are you going?
Laundry.
At this hour?
Room's asked.
You English girls, always busy. Go!
Time.
Keys.
And a
key
reason I'm
time.
out.
I can get. Laundry schedule.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Manager asked for a note.
Be quick. Yes. It fits. Then we have a door.
What happened?
Glass. I'm sorry.
Keep people away. Don't let anyone step on it.
Someone was there.
Before you.
They left a word.
What word?
Late.
Then we're on their clock.
If we stop now, we die later.
Inspection tonight. Cellar, fuel, all locked sealed after.
Understood.
If anything is missing, you'll explain with your mouth shut.
We need time. Real time.
Room 17.
Can you go back?
I never left.
You came quickly. Put them down.
Yes, ma'am.
Clean it. You'll bring this down too. Yeah.
Before 9.
Take it. Go! Now.
Everyone stays where they are.
You.
Sir, why are you here? Delivering linen. Don't move. Yes, sir.
Do you smell that? Smell, sir?
Stay. I'm staying. Don't move.
Yes, sir.
Do you smell that? Smell, sir? Stay.
I'm staying.
Smoke! Down! Now! Stay there. Yes, sir.
Fire!
Back! Move back!
Clear the corridor!
Now! Move! Get out!
Get out!
Noah!
Help!
Then we pull one. Everyone is still up there.
I know! Open the way!
Can you stand? Everyone out.
Up! Inside!
Stay here. Don't move.
We got one.
We're open during inspection.
Get out, please. Help.
We have to move!
I can't go back in. I go back in.
Head down.
Over there.
No soldiers.
Thank you.
That fire, was it you?
It was war.
Where are you going?
To work.
You were near the hotel last night.
Everyone was near it. Go.
That was the last time.
Yes.
Password.
Rain on stone.
You brought her.
She's the one. This opens their locks.
How many saw you? Enough.
They'll retaliate tonight.
That's suicide.
If you go out now, you won't come back.
Then don't wait for me.
Water.
Please. Who coughed?
This room was locked.
Slow. No noise.
What was that?
Back, back.